Today I'm traveling from the Copeland Islands Marine Park to Cortes Bay, which is 7 nautical miles. Cortes Bay has a narrow entrance marked by a lateral beacon, but it opens into a large bay perfect for anchoring. I was there during the 6th full moon of the year, referred to as a strawberry moon, named after the wild strawberries that begin to ripen during this time. There's a lot of bird life, and I even had the chance to meet a crazy-looking box crab while out prawning. All right, Missy from missygoesboating.com. Tonight, of course, is the hockey game, which we were watching on TV. But Dave, where's Dave? And Bill. Yeah. Bill, hi. Say hello from Jack's Boatyard.
Hello.
Went fishing for salmon, and they caught a halibut.
We'd like to say we tried to catch one, but we accidentally caught one.
And so we are having beer-battered halibut with the hockey game. There it goes in the batter. Nicely done. And my sister caught the ferry from Campbell River to Cortes Island, and then the short ferry ride to Cortes Island, and picked me up for a tour around Cortes. First stop was this truly unique free store, when you can find literally everything. I picked up a few books, and my sister scored a pristine Trivial Pursuit game. Then it was off to the Hollyhock Retreat and Leadership Centre to visit the incredible gardens, which are open to the public. From the beach, you can see towards Twin Islets, Hernando, Middle Natch, and Savory Island in the background. This spot is definitely worth a visit. See you on the water.